Welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at Euro GBP. To those that are yet to subscribe, if you know you have not subscribed, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. Would love to watch out for it. So this what I have here is Euro GBP. So one thing I am seeing on Euro GBP is kind of, especially on the weekly time frame, we are analyzing from the weekly time frame. This I am seeing this as to be an impulse move, then a correction or a pullback, then another impulse move, then a pullback. So one thing I am watching out for on Euro GBP next is another movement, at least to take out this ice. If it does not take out this ice, we should kind of experience or see something like a double top. So basically, Euro GBP is what I am seeing. It should actually go bullish. We can also see we are still trading above our 10 period simple moving average until it breaks below this moving average. Then I can now start watching out for maybe probably looking for a setup to sell. But right now, I'm still seeing this as a bullish move. So Euro GBP, personally, I still see this as an uptrend move. Downward to the daily time frame, we can see at first we actually broke below this moving and 10 period simple moving average. Price has actually given us a pullback. Is price likely to drop? Yes, very much likely to drop. Do not be surprised if in case price starts dropping. But personally, I don't think price will start dropping. At least if in case price will drop, we should actually see it push up to actually give us a double top around this level. That will be giving us about, if I'm not wrong, about 100 pips. At least we should be able to get a double top before price will drop. And if not, we are very much likely to break above this ice. But if in case price will drop, we should experience something like a double top. So that is what I am watching on this Euro GBP. So one thing I am watching out for is still an impulse move, especially when you take a look at your Euro index. I mean, when you take a look at this movement, you can clearly see on the weekly time frame, this is an impulse move, right? Or correction uptrend move. So we will take a look at this to be an higher highs than an higher lows. So we are expecting another highs to be made that will actually take out this high. So basically, as we're expecting this movement, majority of our euro should actually push up. I'm not saying all euro will actually push up, but at least we should be able to see some of it actually go bullish. And one of those euro pairs will be expected to actually push up is euro GBP. So this is what I am watching out for. And I don't think it will actually drop, but I'm watching out for this movement upward. Downward to this daily 4 hour time frame, you can clearly see that this is clearly an uptrend also. I am kind of like, let's see if this price kind of go bullish again and break this ice for this week. So probably once price breaks this ice, that will be a confirmation that this is still an uptrend move. If price comes to tap this level, I believe we would have a rejection, because we can see that this is clearly a level here we should not ignore. We can see them, and we should be expecting a reaction at this same level. So price should actually push up from here. So that is what I am watching out for this week. Euro GBP should actually give me a bullish move. So to those that are actually having a failed trade, you're having problem trading, you're having trouble with your accounts. One thing I'm going to do is I've created a Patreon channel. I'm going to put the link in the comment section below. So if in case you're interested, check the link below. You will become my Patreon subscriber. I'm going to share with you trade for the day, also trade for the week. High probability trade, by the way, not anyhow trade. High probability trade that once you take, you are very much likely to win it. Chances of winning such trade should be around 70 to 90% chances. That is what I'll be putting out there. Last 2 weeks, we actually had a successful trade. Last week also, we had a successful trade. So this week, we are expecting a successful trade. So I've actually put out 3 trades we will be looking at for this week. And I've also be putting out 2 trades that we will be looking out for tomorrow, which is on Monday once the markets open. So basically, if in case you are interested, the link will be in the comment section.